Are you tired of studying for hours but still not seeing results? Do you find yourself reading the same notes again and again, but forgetting everything during exams? Well, you're not alone. I'm going to share study methods that actually work, used by top students around the world to get better grades without wasting time. These aren't your typical generic tips. These are proven, practical strategies that boost memory, focus, and understanding. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to study smarter, not harder, and so grab your notebook, focus for the next few minutes, and let's transform your study routine together. The first method is called active recall, and it's a game changer for memorization. Instead of just reading your notes passively, you actively test yourself on what you've learned. For example, cover the answers in your textbook and try to recall the information from memory. This forces your brain to retrieve knowledge, strengthening your long-term memory. Students who use active recall don't just memorize, they understand the concepts better, which makes exams much easier. It's like practicing the exam in advance, without even realizing it. Next up is spaced repetition, which is all about timing your revision. Instead of cramming everything in one night, you review material at increasing intervals. The first review after 1 day, the second after 3 days, and the third after a week. This method prevents forgetting and strengthens memory over time. Simply make a revision calendar for your subjects. Spaced repetition is extremely effective because your brain is revisiting information just as it's about to fade, making retention almost permanent. If you use this consistently, you'll notice a huge improvement in your recall during exams. The third method is the Pomodoro technique, a simple yet powerful way to improve focus. Here's how it works. You study intensely for 25 to 50 minutes, then take a short 5 to 10 minute break. After completing 4 study sessions, take a longer 15 to 20 minute break. This prevents burnout and keeps your mind fresh. During your focused study period, remove all distractions, phone, social media, anything that interrupts you. Many students underestimate the power of structured focus, but the Pomodoro technique ensures maximum productivity in shorter periods, letting you cover more topics efficiently. The fourth method is interleaved practice, which is about mixing different topics or subjects in one study session. Instead of studying one subject for hours, alternate between subjects, like 30 minutes of math, 30 minutes of physics, and 30 minutes of biology. This might feel harder at first, but it actually improves learning and retention. Top students swear by this technique because it helps them identify patterns, link concepts across subjects, and solve problems faster. It's the opposite of passive studying and is highly effective. Finally, we have the Feynman technique, which is all about teaching what you learn. Okay, so, to be really honest, this is my most favorite technique. Literally, it's like, wow, I have got from 60% to 80%, honestly. Pick a topic and try to explain it aloud, as if you're teaching someone else. If you struggle to explain it simply, that means you haven't understood it fully, so go back and study that part again. You can use a whiteboard, notebook, or even just speak to yourself in front of a mirror. Combine this with your notes from active recall and spaced repetition, and you'll notice concepts finally clicking into place. There you have it, 5 study methods that actually work: active recall, spaced repetition, Pomodoro technique, interleaved practice, and the Feynman technique. Pick one method to start with this week and gradually combine them all.